Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making Koobi Angwamo. Come with me and let's cook together. Thank you. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our Koobi or salted tilapia, some shredded onion, coconut oil, rice, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our delicious, authentic Koobi Angwamo. In a pan, I'll go in with my Koobi. You really need to cook this Koobi. Then when we are done with the cooking of it, we will go ahead and then fillet it because we need to get rid of all these bones in it. Guys, we go ahead and cook our Koobi. Let's check on our Koobi, guys. Our Koobi is doing perfect. We still have to, because I'm not going to throw the water away. I'm going to use the same water as a stock to cook my rice, guys. Then fillet our Koobi because we don't want any bones in our rice. Guys, so we are done with the fillets. All these bones are here. So it's okay. This Koobi Angwamo is very safe for every member of your family, you know. You don't need to think about any choke from bones, guys, because you have to cook. After cooking it, it's very easy for you to get rid of all the bones. So that is it. It's ready. And then the same thing, we just go ahead and cook our Angwamo with the stock. So this is the stock from there. So all the flavors are here. The Koobi flavors are here. We are going to use it to cook our rice. Coconut oil, and then we'll go in with our onions. Our onions as caramelized just the way we want it, guys. It looks so good. I will go in with my washed rice. Guys, you can also check on my channel for original braised rice, oil rice. You can also check there for your wache Angwamo. You can also check on my channel for Koobi. So many types of Angwamo on the channel. Check. And you say when you veggie holy. We'll go ahead and add the stock from the Koobi. We are not going to add any salt because the stock from the Koobi already is well seasoned. So after our rice has cooked, we will taste for salt, and then if it's necessary, we'll still go ahead and add it because I still have to add the flaked Koobi in it, and this also still have salt in there. So guys, you see it looks so good. So this is the perfect Angwamo Koobi recipe for you, especially if you are making it for your family, a family with younger children. You don't need to think about anybody choking with bones, guys, because the trick has been taught here. Antonia, come channel no swate na ko hwehwe videos ahodo be brave koko shebi video nnuane ahodo a eye aduane a eye ebua nipedua no a abusia bia ncha affordable ones, easy ones, few ingredients crampo so ye dey wo honoma ubenya na wayam wo abusia. Until we'll continue and then we'll cover it up and allow it to cook, guys. Let's check on our rice. Look at this. It looks so good and perfect. I will go ahead and add my Koobi, guys. Look at this. It looks so good. So good, guys. Look at this. It looks so good. Look at this. I'll go ahead and taste for salt and then see if there is necessary for us to add some salt. Guys, we cover it up and allow it 3 more minutes and then we are good to go. Our rice is done. Look at this. It looks so delicious. I'll go ahead and put off the fire and then we are going to serve. This is our authentic Koobi or salted Tilapia Angwamo is ready. We are going to dig in and serve. This looks so yummy and delicious. Look at this. I see and a cry. Yeah. Look at this. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious Angwamo. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss.